So the idea with induction is it's really simple to use and incredibly efficient. So I'm just going to turn it on, and now I'm just going to put this onto what's called power boost. Now that means this is going to get this water here hot very quickly indeed. And that's the beauty of induction. It's really controllable and very powerful. And I can already see the water is starting to bubble away there. So one of the beauties of induction is that it heats up incredibly quickly, but the energy is focused in the pan and not anywhere else. So if I was to inadvertently put my fingers there, it's absolutely fine, because the only thing that gets hot is the pan and the contents of the pan. So for me, that's a really great safety feature. Because the heat is only focused in the pan and nowhere else, you don't have any heat escaping like gas from all around the sides of the pan. So the heat is only in the pan, and that means that your energy efficiency is about up to 50% more efficient than cooking with gas. This is now boiling away really fast. And this is how controllable induction is. I'm just going to slide the finger down from power, and I'm going to come down to 0. And straight away, the heat is gone. There are loads of other amazing features you can actually have on all sorts of different hobs here. This one's got something called stop and go. So I've got this water boiling, and if I had 3 or 4 other pans on there as well, all at different temperatures, and the doorbell goes, all I need to do is come to the stop and go button and press that. And that will immediately take all of the pans down to the lowest setting. I can go and deal with what I need to deal with. When I come back 10 minutes later, again, all I do is I press the go button, and it will instantly take all 4 of those pans back to their individual temperatures.
Incredibly straightforward, very responsive. How much flavour it actually generated just by the cooking method as well.
They're just really simple to use and absolutely brilliant, and I think we should all be using them.